For people working at height, maybe on a building near an exposed edge, or maybe in the basket of a knuckle boom, or maybe in a forklift cage, often this combination of products is quite popular. A full body harness with a shock absorbing lanyard. Now we encourage people to think about the lanyard and the distance from the anchor point to the exposed edge, or maybe the size of the knuckle boom basket in that example. The most popular length of lanyard is 2 meters. Often 2 meters is a bit long for those scenarios. And ideally the lanyard should be short enough to stop somebody falling over the edge or falling out of the basket. So this product here is made by 3M. It's part of the Protector range of lanyards. It's an adjustable 2 meter lanyard. So it can be at a maximum length of 2 meters, but this buckle here allows me to shorten the product. So I can shorten that down as short as 750 mil. Great product, very versatile. And it's Australian made. These are made in Sydney. I've been to the factory and seen them being made. Speak with the team at your local Safety Equip branch for further information.